My video guide will help you to remove the ransomware called Encrpt. Encrpt is a ransomware that encrypts the data that people store on their computers. By the way, this Encrpt is the part of the VoidCrypt ransomware family. So it is true and it is absolutely certain that Encrpt is a ransomware. We have checked this malware sample that was submitted to VirusTotal. So this is what this Encrpt ransomware does. Before the ransomware attack, of course, people can open their files without problems. Unfortunately, because of certain vulnerabilities in the system, this particular ransomware may be easily injected into the computer. So almost immediately it starts performing its malicious function on the system. So this ransomware encrypts files and appends a string of random characters plus a special email address which is encrpt@cryptex.com, and finally the extension that is called exactly like that, Encrpt. Also, this Encrpt ransomware generates two ransom notes mentioning that the files have been encrypted. As you can now clearly see, this is what happens with the file. People are no longer able to access them, and this extension Encrpt is added to the files. Obviously, that's the serious problem and it needs to be fixed. One thing you should never do is you should not pay the ransom. As I said, the ransomware instructs you to pay the ransom to get the files recovered. However, paying the ransom surely does not guarantee that the files will be restored. What you could do, first of all, is to check the task manager of your computer, look for any suspicious processes, like this one with the long random name. Right-click on it and end its task in order to stop the further file encryption. Then, to remove the ransomware, I strongly advise that you use a special program called Combo Cleaner. Go to C drive, Program Files, go to Internet Explorer browser, then go to the page combocleaner.com, combocleaner.com, in order to download Combo Cleaner antivirus through this official website. So once again, combocleaner.com, download the program using this green button, install the program, and then you need to implement similar tricks to start it by going to Program Files, go to Combo Cleaner folder, then start Combo Cleaner directly through this location. Click on Start Scan. The program will begin researching your system and will then give you the summary of all the threats that were revealed during the scanning. Combo Cleaner works very well at detecting and deleting the majority of ransomware type threats, so it will be able to identify and delete this Encrpt ransomware effectively from your computer. You just need to wait until the scanning is completed to see the full summary of threats that were found during the scan. So you may also experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner. For instance, its premium version has got this excellent anti-ransomware tool that allows you to add several folders on your system that will always be protected against malware attacks. And then, after the scanning is completed, you will see the summary of threats found during the scan, and we recommend you to get rid of all these threats automatically with the premium license of the software.